Yo, what's up? It's PongPo, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the 2H inward bass. So first of all, I want to say that it may not be the same way he does it. I'm not completely 100% sure on that, but I think the result is quite similar. So I'll play a clip of him, and then I'll do it so you can compare it for yourself and see if you think it's similar enough and you would like to learn it. So yeah, so I'll play the video now.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is beatbox 2A.
Okay, and then now what mine sounds like, I guess, would be. So that's the comparison. So if you want to stick around and learn it, then awesome, and if not, then yeah, I can completely understand. It's fine, it's cool, no hard feelings. But yeah, so let's get into it. So first, as a prerequisite, you need to learn the normal inward bass, which sounds like hey, right? That mine's not very good, so you can even see that you don't need to be amazing. So step one, inward bass. The second thing you want to do is like this inward, I don't even know what it's called. It's like a like a gasp sort of. It's like you know, like that kind of thing. So you like you hear that little, I don't even know what it's called, that sound that it makes. You want to combine the two together, so you get, instead of eating, right? So that's the first step. So once you have that, you're basically halfway there. So work on that, get that really clean. So like, yeah, honestly, just get that. And then the second thing is a mouth position. So the mouth position for this, I'll be using my tongue. I'll be using my hand to represent my tongue. So this is my tongue in my mouth, right? So my tongue goes back. So just like all the way back into as far back as you can stick the tip of your tongue into your mouth. So you go like this, and then you also take it and go diagonally, so to like your molar. So basically you want this right here, this part of your tongue, to like flip over. So your tongue's going like, it's like going back and to the right. So it's like boom. So that's the position I put my mouth in, and I extend my jaw. Like that basically. You combine that mouth position with the and you get, and then you can change the shape of your mouth, and you can make it deeper just by lowering the bass. Instead of you can go like as deep as you can get it. So yeah, so that's pretty much the sound. I think it's yeah, so I found the sound I don't know, maybe 2 years ago. It took me a while to develop because yeah, it didn't sound good in the beginning, so it took me a while to get it pretty good. So I don't know, I think if you have all the tools, it'll take a while for it to all come together. Maybe I'd say a couple months, three months maybe, I don't know. Like it's definitely doable. I think a lot of you guys will have fun with the sound. It's really fun to play with it. You can do some crazy stuff with it. It sounds really inhuman, so sound like a dinosaur kind of. That's pretty dope. But yeah, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a comment, like, subscribe. If you have questions, drop a comment and I'll try and help out. And if anything, you guys can message me on Discord or Instagram or Facebook, I guess. which will be in the description, or if not, just comment what is your whatever, blah blah blah, and I'll respond. But yeah, basically that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and peace out.